of fluidity on their offensive flow. In the meantime, here's a three. Go!
Batak daw
Chris
with
Ross will get
13
the technical.
points.
Chris Ross will get the technical. Screaming his head off. Drop it from that left quarter court area.
Treadwell is not getting any rebounds.
Ross outside to Marshall.
Eto na. Marshall Lassiter. That's 2 3-point connections by Sam. Junmar again on an isolation 1-on-1 against. Ito ang sinasabi natin. Junmar will not hesitate to look for the man to pass. A nice cut coming from the outside.
Si Maui sa Moana no? Pati yung mga tattoo niya gumagalaw. Whoa! Terrence connects. Darito getting the basket. 1:15 to 96.
Iba to ng Beerman pumapasok, but what they can control is their effort. Sabi nga ni Coach Yeng, don't give up now. Dahan-dahan, they will have to climb back into this game. Focus on their
Well, kanina lamang napanood natin si sick display.
Op,
Office Vincent, sandali.
Op.
May konting problema doon.
Si Terrence, mainit.
Napapaaway.
Mainit. Sinisig.